Okay, so this is the next part. I have antidifferentiation. So that's basically thinking about going backwards from a derivative. That is synonymous with the idea of integration. So I've talked about the idea of integration a little bit. That is an integral sign. So it's that big, weird looking curvy S. Okay. Now, when I talk about indefinite integrals, so that just is talking about a family of different functions that could all equal this derivative. Okay, so the integral of f of x dx is the indefinite integral of f of x. That is that big f prime of x is equal to f of x for all x. Okay, so now I have my little setup here where I have my integral sign, my integrand, which is basically the inside of the integral, the differential, which is that dx there, and that is equal to my antiderivative. Again, so that antiderivative basically is saying that if I take that antiderivative, take the derivative of that antiderivative, I should get that function that I started with, okay? So the idea is that f of x inside this integral sign, this one right here, that f of x inside of that integral sign is a derivative, right? This integral sign is undoing that derivative, which is giving me my original function. I know that it's a lot to think about in terms of these words. It's just a lot of words, different terms. But an antiderivative is an original function given a derivative. So the idea here is that we're starting with a derivative and we're trying to find where did that derivative come from. And in my next video, I'll talk a little bit more about that.